car wash time, man. Me and baby girl. I had to take her somewhere. Been at the hospital and driving every day. She don't like me away. Blame it. Hotboxing in the car wash. Baby girl's like, fuck you. Spark it. Baby girl. She hates the car wash, but she loves going places. I haven't been taking her too many. Look at my hair. Got another zit on my face, too. Don't matter how old you are, you get zits on your face. Plus, I'm a diabetic. That don't help. Listen to that noise. I ain't coming through here again.
Hey, together, we had great father and son time.
This was way louder than the one we usually go to, huh, baby girl? Poor baby girl. Poor baby girl.
That means done.
Nothing on the radio.
We have to raise.
I think I'll go with no music.
With pricing. Talking about, yes, times from what they paid for.
Ah, that smells good. So I'm dropping the dog off, going to the Devil G's, to the hospital. She's going to rehab today. I thought it was going to be right next to us, but it's not. What is that, baby girl? There's a baby girl. She ain't too happy about all. Baby girl. See her jerk her head away. She's like, no. She always has runny eyes. Tell me what to help a dog's runny eyes. There's the baby girl. She does not like the car wash. She did just have a hot dog. Every time I go to the racing track for a soda or anything, if I don't come out with a hot dog, she ain't happy. Same goes with if we go to McDonald's, she's got to have